Now I can feel. Buy this one from Pack and Save. Aerogard. It's good. Ooh, it was nice coffee, man. Empty. And heaps of pigs here, bro. I see last night pigs here. Heaps of pigs and deers and. You know, guys, I'm very addicted of cloves and cardamom. Oh, nice coffee. Now I can feel happy. My black coffee with the cloves and cardamom. Now we can talk about the lake. Ooh, it's a beautiful place. But you know, it's no reception here. I can't ring my wife. And yeah, don't forget fly spray. Fucking heaps of flies here. Buy this one from Pack and Save. Aerogard. It's good. Especially the fucking flies biting on your legs and feet. I think I should cook something now, then sleep and start editing videos in the van. It's almost 7:30. Ooh, it was nice coffee, man. Okay, I'm gonna cook this for dinner. I bought from Pack and Save. Paneer tikka masala. Just gonna heat up and that's it. It's ready to eat. Nice dinner. It's easy to cook. Oh, someone here. And with masala tikka, I bought this wrap. Apai khamange rotiyan wangu. This look like a roti, Indian roti. Like a naan. Come on. Oh, heaps of bees. Hi guys, this is morning time. Good morning. Last night I couldn't make a video after making lunch because my battery was flat. So now straight away in the morning. So good morning. This nice beautiful weather, sunny, and I can see some clouds. You can see in my video I took some photos. Beautiful place. So I'm going back to home today. And I can't go for a walk, and I can't go, it's a heaps of caves here, beautiful caves, but I can't go there because I was talking with a ranger and he said the caves are closed for permanent, I think, because the two people died last month because they fall in, and the cave is a heaps of deep holes in the cave, and crazy people, eh? And one guy lost in the bush 2 days ago. He's a 70-year-old and he lost, because he was doing hunting. And heaps of pigs here, bro. I see last night pigs here, heaps of pigs and deers, and it's a heaps of people here now. I was talking with the ranger, and he said most of people go for hunting in the night time, but be careful. He said fucking heaps of people lost every month. 2 or 3 people lost in the bush. So I'm going back to home today because it's no reception here. I couldn't talk with my family. Definitely they are worried about me because they doesn't know where I am. I told them I'm going for camping somewhere at the lake, but they doesn't know which lake. So I have to go back to home today. So thanks for watching my video, and see you in next video somewhere else. Beautiful place. It's cold here. Fuck, that's so beautiful place. That's the nature. You can see, I can show you. Oh, look at this. You can see some clouds. And sunny day. Beautiful. And that's my van here. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and see you in next video. Bye.